Digital transformation. 1st November 2019, Safaricom Sacco migrates to a new online-based system.
At this juncture, I would just like to thank, like I mentioned earlier on, Safaricom PLC. I would like to thank Safaricom PLC. They've been actually our very critical partners even as we did this. In terms of managed security and cloud infrastructure, we've walked the journey with them. They've actually from the design of the architecture to the point of delivery, we have worked side by side. And again, like the chairman had mentioned, our number one problem statement was security. And it's actually, from an IT perspective, quite difficult for you to sleep at night, knowing that your assets are dangling and they're not quite safe. So we thank Safaricom PLC for the work. I cannot mention anything about the system without thanking the Craft Silicon team. And I know the Craft Silicon team have actually been very instrumental. And on behalf of the staff and the management, we actually thank you a lot. I know a lot of emotions have been coined in this, but the work has been fruitful. Whenever we talk about this and we speak about the work we've done and we receive accolades, I only think about the much effort that we've done. And I think it's only fair, because I think I had a 30-minute slot, that I just give you some 5 minutes, Bwana Okwaro, just to say something about the engagement and what we've done before we actually close this session. And for those who are here and actually very curious about how we onboard, you can visit or you can talk to any of us, and we can actually onboard you right here, right now, because you're digital. Everything's digital for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kevin. The chief guest, Jeremy Ochieng, PS Ministry of ICT, Mr. Steve Chege, Chief Corporate Affairs Officer, Safaricom PLC, Mr. Geoffrey Jangombe, Outgoing Commissioner for Cooperatives, all invited guests, CEOs and chairmen of all circles present, and all protocols observed. Good morning. I would like to thank Safaricom Sacco for giving us this opportunity, giving us a stage, and actually helping us to talk to all the circles that are present here today. You can see that I'm not presenting anything for you because you have seen what Safaricom Sacco has presented, and they are loudly saying that they have gotten this courtesy of Craft Silicon. Please let us clap for Craft Silicon. I'm very happy that among us today are several circles, and those are institutions that we target. Craft Silicon provides solutions for commercial banks, microfinance institutions, and circles. And we have been talking to several circles, some of them here today, and I'm happy they can see what we can do with them. We serve several circles who are already working with us. And for those who are not working with us and are present here today, we welcome you to talk to us. We have all sorts of products like Safaricom, everything they are doing with us. But we can still give you channels when you are using another core, or give you our core product when you are using other channels. We can integrate to anything. Craft Silicon is a local company based here in Nairobi. We sit in the head office, but we have a development office in India, based out of Bangalore. We also have another office in Ahmedabad in India. We have support office in Uganda, in Kampala. We have another support office in Dar es Salaam. We have a support office in Accra. And we are putting support offices everywhere that we have a cluster of clients. We have about 200 clients spread out across Africa. We have clients in Asia. We are trying to go into Southeast Asia. We have a client actually in South America. So with all these clients, we have built knowledge that we can share with you. What you have seen presented here by Safaricom Sacco was built between a collaboration between us and them. As Kelvin has said here clearly, they had a problem statement they wanted to solve. So we discussed with them, and together we come up with that solution. I want to invite all of the other circles that are represented here to come talk to us and see how we can work together to solve the problems that they are facing. I'm not here to market. I'm only here to tell you what we can work with you to give to your members. At the end of the day, the CEOs and chairmen of circles that are here are actually in office representing members who are the owners of those circles. What we are saying is that we can work with you to give value to those members. So please, we want to welcome you. I have my head of marketing here, Mr. Sharma. I would like you to come here and tell the members who are present what products we can offer to them. Mr. PS, before I leave, I just want to tell you that we are also pioneer members of the Metro Technopolis City at Konza. We already taken up space there and we are putting up a center. We want to be at the head of innovation in this country. We were pioneer members when the Technopolis was started, and we want to be among the first people to actually move our head office into Konza. Thank you very much. Mr. Sharma, please.
Good morning, everyone. It's been a pleasure to represent Craft Silicon, and it's really a delightful and a proud moment for Safaricom SACCOs. The milestones which has been explained by the leaders has been really very heartwarming, and really I think we should give a round of applause for all the achievements. So without taking much time, I'll quickly browse through what Craft Silicon is capable of doing. As well explained by our Deputy CEO, Mr. Okwaro, that we are a company which is from Kenya. We are a local company. We are made in Africa for Africa. So all the organization which has a focus, especially in Kenya and Africa, the choice is Craft Silicon. You please talk to us. We are not there to sell any product, but do a need analysis to see how we can partner with you and how we can make the journey of the customer really seamless, digital, and convenient. So that's going to be the ethos of the discussion. And we have our team members and a very dedicated stall where our sales and marketing team members are there. Please talk to us. I would be available to also engage with you. But something more on Craft Silicon. We started the journey almost more than 2 decades ago, and now we are present in 40 countries with over 300 plus satisfied customers. We serve not only the banks, SACCOs and MFIs, we take pride in serving the communities and making financial inclusion and access to finance happen. So the organization is also has over 1,000 plus skilled professionals spread across India, Asia, and various other countries in Africa. What we are very proud of is our core banking suite. The core banking suite is something which is the heart of any financial institution, and I'm very proud to also update that we are soon launching a new version of core banking which is called Nimble, which has whole slew of services which makes a bank not only a successful brick and mortar bank, but a digital bank. So a mobile or an internet or on a tablet, the entire banking services would be available all on cloud, all which is fully secure and completely fungible across multiple omni-channels. Digital channel is something which is our I would say the strength, and we have the whole digital channel suite, right from the internet banking where all the retail and corporate customer can access. It is an open platform device, so you could align with any of the devices, and it is something which is very, very flexible and simple to use. Mobile banking is something which is need of the hour. Everybody wants to transact on the mobile. So mobile banking is something which we have dwelled lot of focus and development in terms of making that. I would like to thank our development team for coming out with a very, very seamless and simple to use mobile banking tool, which is Elma. Then we have a tool which is on field customer acquisition. Field customer acquisition, when we talk about, no customer wants to visit the branch anymore. If I have to ask or survey the team here in terms of when you had visited the branch, the answer would be we are using ATMs or internet banking or even M-Pesa. So as we go along, even the onboarding of the customer is not happening on the mobile, is not happening on the branches, it is happening on mobile. So we have a digital field automation where right from clicking the photograph to have a eKYC integration on a live platform is something where you can have your client onboarded digitally, remotely, without the client visiting the branch. So that is something which we are very proud of, and that is need of the hour. Chatbots is now a new buzzword. What is chatbot? You can look at some of the standard FAQs, which is a question a customer would ask a branch or a call center, and come out something which is clearly integrated through a WhatsApp. We could look at even a WhatsApp way of acquiring customers. So technology has gone to that milestone that we can customize our requirements in terms of what a customer would demand, and we can customize through a robot, and a chat robot can work 24/7, unlike a costly call center or any of the means which is employed in our branches. So chatbot is also a need of the hour, and it is present there. So in case your existing business model does not have it, we foresee that in times to come, chatbots will be integral as mobile banking. So further, AI-based credit scoring engine is something which we have scaled over years. When I talk about credit score, today if you look at a small amount of loan which has to be given to the end customer, it is a very, very costly channel. If we ask our customer to visit a branch, fill a 10-page form, and then a credit committee sits and take a decision, already 15 days are gone, and the customer who wanted the fund yesterday has borrowed from money sharks. So the idea and the responsibility of a SACCO, bank, any financial institution is to look at how credit scoring can be in instant, in minutes, in seconds. So talk to us. We have a very diversified credit score engine which will automate your credit policy. So there is no subjectivity involved, there is no influence involved of the team, and a small amount of loan can be quickly borrowed with a click of button through our artificial intelligence enabled credit score engine. And we have also dwelled on cognitive services where sentiment analysis of your customer. Today, when we have to employ a market research, which takes almost 2 months to survey whether your customers are happy or not, we can have a digital survey through a sentiment analysis in which the customer feedback on your quality of services can be known. Quality of services is integral for the success of financial institution, because when the customer has to go, they leave the institution, they leave it immediately. So it is important for us to have a very cognitive and a very focused skill in terms of assessing the quality of services. Without taking much time, I'll also give emphasis on loan on phone. Loan on phone is a service which can change the fortune of any institution. Why? Because loan on phone enables the end customer for a small ticket loan as small as $700 get loan in less than 5 minutes. This is unheard of in earlier years when there was a credit committee and a whole slew of a relationship manager taking a call. With loan on phone, everything is digital, including onboarding of a customer, and in some cases the customer may not be even the customer of the bank or SACCO, it could be a new prospective client. Onboarding, digitizing, credit scoring, cognitive way of analyzing whether the customer is good having a psychometric inbuilt is all part of loan on phone, and we are capable of delivering it. So I would briefly dwell upon SME banking toolkit in my last couple of slides. In SME banking toolkit, we enable credit scoring for SME, where the SME business is mostly cash-based. We employ smart and enterprise relationship analysis where invoicing, inventory management of our SME can be done digitally, which gives you rare insight into credit proprietary score, which you can align in terms of giving lending to SME on real-time basis. So that is on SME. And now talking about our latest venture, which is Little Cab. If you have used it, we are very proud that Craft Silicon designed its system. Today we have over 100,000 drivers across some of the locations of Africa. Over 1 million customers use it. And we are again thankful to Safaricom to join us in initial journey and motivating us to become such a large entity now. We are also involved in the various analytical and smart tools. That is also part of us. And in the end, we take our corporate social responsibility very seriously. We have a bus which is solar paneled, where we have till now given education to 25,000 students who are far-fetched. There is a dedicated bus in Craft Silicon. Should the respected governors and the key members here would want us that the bus should visit their location, we'll be more than glad to help and ensure that we are able to make an inclusive and a very, very focused society where we serve for the well-being of the communities and greater success to Kenya. So that is what Craft Silicon is all about. It is all about success about the community, and that is it from our end. We will be more than glad to have an engagement with you, and would be a pleasure to serve your organization, not from only sales perspective, but how we can help the end communities to have access to finance through your SACCO, your financial institution. And we continue to support Safaricom SACCOs for greater height. Today it's tier 1. I foresee that it becomes a universal bank and much bigger than the biggest bank in the country. So my heartiest congratulations once again, and with due respect to all the board, thank you very much.